What's up, Fingerlings fans? Toy Insanity here. I collect it so you don't have to. And Wowie hitting us up, smack upside the head, second quarter 2019 with some brand new Untamed Fingerlings. The Dragons. I mentioned before they did some girly type dragons. They're super cute. But now we get those untamed iterations, those untamed hitters. That's right. So I think this will bring our total on the untamed versions. We go from 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Still dealing with them odd numbers. They did 8 Raptors, 5 T-Rexes. Then they did 2 Bone Dinos, 2 Wolves, and 2 Cats. 2 direwolves, 2 saber-toothed cats. Now, boom, we got 4 dragons. Wildfire in red. He says, I'm fired up. Freezer in blue. He says, I'm ice cold. Venom in green. He just says, I'm toxic. Guess he plays Fortnite. We got Shockwave. He says, I'm a lightning rod. I'm a lightning rod, bruh. Now, if you've looked at my videos or you yourself have looked at the minis, they call them the Mad Labs. They don't fit on your finger. They don't even say fingerlings on them. These may not even say fingerlings anymore. Boom. Well, it's just a little thing. Untamed, ferocious at your fingertips, by fingerlings. All right, so when they went mini, when they went scaled down, I always recommend a toy company, toy line does. They scaled down just regular figures, but they're putting them, check out the videos, they put them in geo slime and biohazardous kinetic sand. They're either in slime, sand, or putty. But the reason I'm bringing them up is because the rarest figure in that set, what they're implying is the rarest, is called Gold Rush, and he's a dragon. He is a gold dragon. I really want him to do this size figure, Gold Dragon, somehow, some way, soon. Probably in a playset or something. I don't know. Maybe a chase figure. I don't know. Wildfire. Now look at this. They say, I light up. I'm not sure where they're going to light up, but none of the previous and prior figures were lit. They didn't light up. All right. My name is Wildfire, and I bring the heat. Let's see it. Let's see that heat. Let's see that light. I think it's gonna, yep, it's definitely gonna be his neck. I don't think we're gonna see it in the sunlight. Oh, it's his nose. There's definitely translucent plastic in the neck. I don't see any light coming from there, though. But you can see there's an LED light in his nostril. Did you already go to sleep, brah? They're getting a flame icon on the tail. lot of little paint flaws on this guy. That's life. What's his name? Wildfire? Gold one. His name is Gold Rush. Come on, give me a Gold Rush Dragon, wowee. Let's go from fire to ice. Freezer. Wow, I feel the chills already. My name is Freezer, and I'll send shivers down your spine. So clever. Let me pull that plastic out of his nose. I like him. So after the last wave, I was trying to think where they would take this toy line next. And I did think of dragons. I was like, they could do a more, boys' toy type of dragon. But I thought they probably wouldn't because they did the girls' dragons. I do like these. I love the sculpts a lot. Well done on the dragons. But I was thinking maybe, I thought of mammoths. I thought of triceratops. I was thinking more prehistoric stuff. What's up, dude? You ain't stuck, is you? And now, if you look at those Mad Lab minis, I think they're giving us a little preview, a little suggestion of what's to come in these lines. Because there's some hyenas, there's gorillas. You can get you a nice Harambe untamed fingerling. That would be dope. And robots. They are doing mammoths. They're doing a bone mammoth and a robot mammoth. And 2 more robots. I think it was maybe a robot T-Rex and a robot dragon? Robo-Raptor. That would be cool. Yeah, they could do a dope robot version of all the originals. The Raptor, the Wolf, the Sabertooth, and the T-Rex. Yeah, I think the light is just in the nose, which is also like the upper lip. You can see it pretty good there. Got him purring. I tell you another way they could take this line is aliens. The style kind of hints toward like a xenomorph type alien. Dude, an actual crossover with the Alien franchise with a little xenomorph that wraps around your finger and his little tail would come down. Little face hugger that's going like purring in your hands. But we're probably set for the year if they're going to do the hyenas and gorillas. There was something else in those that was new. Pretty cool. Shockwave. By the way, Venom says, my name is Venom and my gas is toxic. Must be a way to get that guy to fart. Some of them you do a secret little stroke and they go just like the what was that other Wowie toy line that I really loved? The Buttheads. Buttheads, our heads are butts. Oh, my name is Shockwave and I'm lightning quick. If you say so, bruh. Come on now. Shockwave. Thought you're lightning quick. You ain't lightning quick getting out of that package. Alright. Shockwave. Blue light up in that nose hole. Shockwave with the blue light. He has a dark blue light. This guy's a bright blue light, green light, and red light. Which one is your favorite of the new Untamed Dragons? I'm usually partial to green. I do like this guy. But I think the red one might be my top #1 favorite. Let's look at the way that guy pops. Wildfire. I definitely hope they do that gold rush. I'm also kind of giving it a once-over now to see if there's any variation in the sculpt. Typically, like with the T-Rexes and the wolves and the cats, they would have one little, like, what the analogy would be is the horns here would be a little bit different. But I swear, by the moon and the stars in the sky, these are exact what we call repaints. These are all variants of the exact same sculpt. There is not even a slight difference in the tail. They could have gave some of them pointed tails, forked tails. I think they all have the exact same tails, the same eyes, the same teeth, the same horns, same claws. So that's a little bit weak. I did like how they made ever so slight detail differences on the others. But these are very much exact sculpts. What's up, guys? Woo, what was that noise all about? You hungry? To insanity, I clicked it so you don't have to. Untamed, ferocious at your fingertips. Dirty, dirty dragons. Love you guys. Thanks for the upvote. I'll see you real soon with some more fantastic toys.